Good day, traders. I'd like to share a trade we posted in the Tradesight lab this morning. As with many of our trade calls, the interest in this trade started with yesterday's price activity. Using eSignal version 11 and Tradesight tools, I noticed AKAM played out in a choppy consolidation yesterday before it ran higher into the afternoon, consolidating into a high range base into the close with strong momentum as evidenced by a solid ADX reading. I put AKAM on my long watch list for today then. Here we've got two charts, a 5-minute and the 15-minute, to illustrate what I saw. Here in the early half session, you can see we had choppy activity going sideways, and in the afternoon it shot up into this tighter consolidation just ahead of the close with strong ADX reading. Here on the 15-minute chart, you can see the same type of price activity, but it's a little easier to see. We chopped around, ran up into the afternoon close, consolidating right into that close with a strong ADX. This morning, within the first hour's action, the stock tested yesterday's high a couple of times, showing me continued resistance in that upper area. Range high breaks are one of my favorite plays. I posted a buy stop just over that near-term resistance, the breakout area, at 43.25. It triggered with positive market internals at 7:35 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, and fortunately continued to run for a healthy gain for our subscribers. Here we have the same two 5-minute and 15-minute charts for you. This little ellipse here in the beginning of the 5-minute chart of this morning's activity shows it did come up here and test yesterday high a couple of times. That's when I plugged in this buy stop at that 43.25, and then at about 7:30 it broke out and ran to a full point here, which is pretty substantial for a $43 stock. It was great for us. And here on the 15-minute chart, this little tweezer top again shows you how it tested those highs of yesterday before breaking through and never looking back. Guys, if you haven't been tracking high range basing activity into the close, I suggest you start. Come visit me in the live Tradesight lab anytime for trade calls in equities, index futures, ETFs, and Forex. Until next time, this is Mark Likos. Have a great day and trade well.